Hi everybody and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 and a half Forestriver Cedar Creek Cottage 40cck. This is a destination trailer. It is a triple slide out, front living room, one bedroom in the rear unit. On the inside you're going to notice a lot of changes. We have new wood, new countertops, new flooring, new furniture, and new ceiling, paneling working. All that stuff has changed up. So let's get started here. We have an island kitchen. There's again solid surface countertops. You have the electric outlet on the island. This new light up little LED section is different. That is a new feature they changed to. High-rise sprayer faucet there, undermount stainless sink, matching sink covers. This unit has the upgraded Furrion stove. It's a pretty cool feature. It's a glass door, larger than some of the old ovens. Auto light system on it. Has a built-in timer here, LED display, and basically you turn it over here. You can see the temperature light up there. Light lights up inside the stove. Pretty cool new oven system. 3-burner stove top. That stove top can be changed out to a induction stove top if you'd rather have that. But that is a new stove top for them. You also have a little bit of a redesign of the counter space there. So you do have more room for cooking. Optional 30-inch convection microwave there. That is a nice feature. Again, convection microwave, so you can cook or microwave either way with it. Nice big flat screen TV, electric fireplace, Jensen soundbar, Jensen DVD Bluetooth stereo system, and Jensen TV. So all matching products there. They function and work great together. Some overhead cabinetry space. Nice big windows overlooking the front. This particular unit was ordered with the dual pane optional windows. It's a nice feature, helps with sound deadening, also helps with insulation properties and things like that. Helps with the condensation and stuff in the cold winter months. You can see the new ceiling panels up there, but you're also looking at the ducted air system. Those are returns for the Whisper quiet air conditioning system. Much nicer system than the old RV systems that you see the big square and hear all the noise. So a much nicer system there. This was ordered with the optional Lazy Boy recliners. You can also do a theater seat as well. This is Franklin Furniture Sofa Lazy Boy recliner feature or Franklin theater seat. The Franklin Furniture is becoming their main base that they're using now, and that is mostly due to the fact that it's made in America and a little more RV furniture friendly. You can see in the new woodworking there all around the framework of the slide, that's changed. Quite a bit of floor space in this unit. The dinette is freestanding, 2 traditional RV chairs with storage in them, a leaf that pulls out, and then there is 2 folding chairs which are currently stored underneath the bed. They do a nice decorative light above that dinette system and also above the island. All LED lights throughout the coach in here. There are 2 ceiling fans in this coach, which you can see right here. The fan blades cannot be put on until the coach is actually set up at site, because the slide outs will come in and can damage them. So when you do receive your cottage, it will not have the fan blades put on it. They do a really large pantry over here also. And you can kind of see here a couple traditional shelves there, but then you have some drawers that pull out. And there's also an electric outlet in this pantry. On the island, this one was ordered with that dishwasher. If you don't do the dishwasher, you get some more drawer space. So you do have some storage in the island, a drawer up above the dishwasher there. Around the stove, quite a bit of cabinet space, a drawer below the stove. And again, these are full extending ball bearing drawer guides. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in checking out more of my videos or know anybody else that might be interested in one of these campers. Please feel free to give me a call. Toll-free number 888-417-8299, extension 203. Again, my name is Ray. Kind of a nice feature. You have your cabinet pull out here for your trash cans and another little drawer underneath of there. Some more counter prep space. There's an electric outlet and USB chargers there. We'll open up this cabinet here so you can kind of see some storage space there. But quite a bit of room in here. Over here on this side, you have a little coat closet there. Then some of your main controls are actually located behind this door. Ceiling fan switch for the living room. Slide out button control. This is the in-out button, but this is also an on-off button here. Then you can actually turn them on and off outside. And also, I'll show you when we get out there. Awning in and out button, awning light, some other light switches, monitor panels, and the 12-volt heated holding tank pads turn on right here. The unit has 12-volt heat pads on each individual tank to help in the wintertime. And that flips on and off by that switch there. Propane leak detector down there. You have your dual zone air conditioner controls right there and the fantastic fan controls for the kitchen fantastic fan right there. Nice big sliding glass door. You'll see that better when we go outside. There is a decent sized little hallway going back toward the bedroom and bathroom area here. Up above is your smoke detector and your TV rotation handle for the TV antenna rotation handle. Nice sized bathroom. This has the upgraded porcelain foot flush toilet. There's plenty of space there for towels and washcloths behind these cabinet doors there. Some little coat hook things or robe hook things on the wall. One-piece fiberglass molded shower with the high skylight up top. And a triple slide glass frosted looking door there. There's a seat in that shower. Solid surface sink in here. Storage below and a nice wood medicine cabinet with a pretty good sized mirror and some LED lights up there you can see too. Sliding pocket door on the bathroom so you don't have to worry about coming out of the bedroom or down the hallway and hitting people with that door or having to fight with that door to get in and out of that bathroom. So nice little feature. Going back into the bedroom, this particular unit was ordered with the carpet. You can do just linoleum if you want. It's got a good sized dresser. You'll see when we get around there. There's a big window across that area. And you can also do a TV up there on the wall. This customer chose not to do the bedroom TV, but it would hang above the window there. Nice big closet space across that back section there. Sliding glass mirrors on the right with hanging little hook things across there. Quite a bit of overhead cabinet space too. So this customer did choose to order theirs with the washer dryer. And this is what it looks like with the washer dryer in it. They are currently using the Splendide washer dryer system. It's a stackable system, so dryer on top, washer on bottom. That is what that actually looks like. And here on the side, you have more storage. You can also see an electric outlet down there on the wall side. Slide this closed again so you can kind of see under here. There's your electric box with your breakers and fuses down there. There is room to get around both sides of the bed. Electric outlet on the wall on both sides of the bed and USB charger on both sides of the bed. Now there you can see the water heater switch. It's kind of hidden back in behind the closet. The destination trailer has a 20-gallon electric water heater, similar to what you'd find in most houses. But it is 20 gallons. This one was ordered with the king size bed instead of the queen. So you can do either or. Plenty of room again to walk around in here. This was also ordered with the optional bedroom ceiling fan, and you can also see the dual track air conditioning ducts right there. Window and little shelf on both sides of the bed. And there's quite a bit of room up here in this area. You can kind of get an idea of the depth there. Entry door going in and out of the bedroom also. A lot of nice new features here on the coach. We're going to take a minute and take you to the outside again. The unit comes with a standard RV step. A lot of people tend to build porches around these things, so they don't splurge on the nicer steps going in and out for that purpose. But you can kind of get an idea standing back here. A lot of awning space and area on the back of this model to do your porch and that type of stuff. They do have another version where the bedroom's in the front and the living room is in the back. It's called the 40cck. It's basically an identical camper, just flipped. So you have the bedroom up front and the living room in the back, but same basic model. This one, again, power awning, LED light strip, nice high gloss gel coat fiberglass exterior, deep tint safety glass windows, which again was ordered with the optional dual panes. The unit does come with stabilizer jacks. This customer actually chose to do the extra set. So this actually has 8 stabilizer jacks on it instead of just 4. Heavy duty tires here. These are 16-inch tires. You do definitely need that in order to haul the weight of this thing. This particular unit was ordered with the outdoor speakers and TV setup out here, so you can do all that here in this area. And was also ordered with the optional slide-out awning covers over top of the slide-out rooms there. Porch light up above the sliding glass door. We're going to walk around to the back of the unit. On the rear end, you're going to notice there's no bumper. They have the dryer vent coming out there. That's the black square. They don't do any pre-wiring for backup cameras or any of that type of stuff because, again, it's a destination trailer, so it's not really going to be hauled down the road a whole lot. Small little cubby hole here. Around to this side of the coach, you can see the big water heater right here. It has a bypass on it and drain and all that type of stuff, just like you would on a regular camper RV there. But that is much larger, and again, it only works on electricity. Does have some instructions here for winterization purposes. The Cottage does have a full enclosed underbelly too. So that is definitely a good thing for wintertime. I still would recommend, if you're in cold climate, to skirt around it. It will help you a lot cutting off that wind chill underneath the bottom of these things. But it does have a really nice enclosed underbelly with the 12-volt heat pads. There you can see the other two slide toppers covering the tops of the rooms. And try to see up top here, you can see one air conditioner on the rear of the coach, and then another one all the way up on the front. Both ducted, dual track system. In the middle of the coach is going to be your dump area. So down here's where your stuff comes out. You've got your black, gray galley tank handles. All that stuff are located right up there. And you'll notice that everything is kind of up inside the underbelly where the gate valves go up in there, so there's nothing freezing on the outside of the coach right there. Black tank flush right here, city water hookup, and fresh water connection right here. A little cubby here to get into the water pump system for bypassing. And also, you can shut these rooms off right here. There's 3 buttons right here, or turn knobs, to turn off the hydraulic flow. That's your hydraulic pump there. But once you're all set up and everything, you can shut those off so nobody can actually turn on the switch inside and open and close your rooms and damage something. Power cord, 50 amp service right here. This is about a 25-foot power cord that the factory provides you with when you purchase one of these things. Furnace exhaust out right there. Your cable and satellite hookups are right there below the light on this side. Over here you can see your stove exhaust coming out the side of that slide out. Go around to the front. It's a little tight up here, but we'll try to get you a decent view here. They do 2 30-pound propane tanks. The unit will come with 1 battery from Couch's RV Nation here. Just a manual jack on the front. Again, it's meant to be a park model, so they're not wasting money on a power tongue jack there. Really nice fiberglass cap. And you can see down here, there is a gas outlet for like hooking up a portable grill or something along those lines. Try to step back here so you can see the front a little bit better. It's kind of dark out. CouchesRVNation.com. Be sure to check us out. There is actually an area on our website where you can build and price out all of the units we sell for all the different manufacturers that we sell. Again, my name is Ray. Please feel free to give me a call if you're interested in purchasing one of these things. Toll-free number is 888-417-8299. My direct extension 203. Also, again, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in checking out more of my RV videos. I try to update as many of these things as I can in my free time. Toll-free number 888-417-8299, extension 203.